Good afternoon, team, and welcome to another market breakdown for the week ahead. There's not much on the watch list this week. There's only three pairs: UJ, EA, and Great British Pound NZD. I'm still in the Great British Pound Swiss franc from actually not the last Friday, but the Friday before. So Friday the 20th I got in, so that was 9 days ago now. So I've been in that since here. Tag me in here. This is basically a daily swing, so you expect it to be a bit longer. It was my order was set at this supply zone. Come up, he's tagged me in, and I'm expecting these lows to be taken, and also this low here to be taken. So this is probably going to be a bit more of a longer term trade that I'm just going to have to wait for. But we'll see how it plays out. It pulled into profit on Friday. Let's see how we keep pushing. We do have reasons to come higher. We are in this uptrend, so we could come lower, push up higher, take me out. We'll see what happens, because we do have fair value gap supply zones up here as well, and we're still in a bigger range, so we still have potential to come higher. But I've took the trade. It fits my plan. We'll see what goes from there. But to the actual market breakdowns, there's not much offering this week. There's not much. Again, last week there wasn't, and this week it's the same. We're in an overall bearish trend on UJ. We had this pullback up into the daily range, so I was kind of looking for a downshift to just align us with the daily time frame, which we have now. We've had the market structural shift from this uptrend, so I'm just looking for price to pull back upside, either tag us into this supply zone or a Fibonacci level, and then react from there, and then come down for a continuation. So I'll be looking for some sort of continuation around these levels, depending on when we start pulling back. We might continue down for a bit before pullback, but we'll see how we go. EA, same thing again, just continuing with this bearish momentum at the minute on EA. Zooming in a bit here. It's a pretty tight-knit price action. We've had a liquidity sweep to the upside. We've had a push downside breaking structure. I'm expecting price now to come up, take out this area of liquidity, pull deeper, fill in some areas here, and then react and push downside. So it's pretty much the same as last week. We had this last week play out. So yeah, that's going to be the same thing again. Just clear order flow, price action to the downside, and I'm just going to be looking for sells on that one. Great British Pound NZD is once again the same thing. Overall, I'm bearish on this pair. I've been looking at this demand zone to be tagged in for some time now, so we might finally get this pushed down into this demand zone. But going back to the 4 hourly, you can just see we've got clear order flow. We had I think this was an uptrend. Yeah, so we was in an uptrend, liquidity sweep, we broke that structure, market structural shift, and then we've started a bearish order flow. So we've had this liquidity sweep here, another push down, we come back, supply zone tested, and then push down again, broken more structure. So now I'm expecting again another pullback upside into some area of supply or the Fibonacci level, and then a reaction to push downside. And if I do get this one from here, I will more than likely target this demand zone that I've been waiting for absolutely all weeks. So yeah, I'll be looking at something like that. There's nothing really else that's looking great for me, like price action wise this week. I will keep an eye on things. EU is looking pretty, not bleak, but it's looking alright. It's not the best, but it's probably the best looking out of the rest of them, to be honest with you. We've got order flow moving upside, we've got some structure. We've come into this demand last week and we have reacted from that. Impulsed up, then impulse back down, so we'll see how we go. Outwardly looks a bit more clearer. We're creating some nice structure here, so we could potentially see some higher areas be tagged, but yeah, that'd be more of a day trading thing I'll be looking at. yeah, then that's it. So 3 pairs I'm looking at for swing trading. If anything else does come up, you'll see it obviously in the Discord, on my personal channels. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one, and have a good trading week.